Another really common and easy to create view is a camera view. I find it easiest to create camera views from within a floor plan view. I like to use the site plan, but you can create camera views from anywhere within the project. To create a camera view, switch to the View tab on the ribbon, and then launch the Camera tool from the 3D View drop-down. When I do, a little camera icon appears next to my cursor, and there are a few options in the options bar. I'll leave the perspective checkbox enabled, and the scale is grayed out, but here are the important ones. The offset box and the level drop-down determine the height of the camera. I'll have this camera be at about the head height of somebody standing outside. Next, simply click to place the camera on the site. Once you've placed the camera, drag the mouse away and click again to define the field of view and the target of the camera. When I click again, Revit immediately shows the 3D perspective camera view, similar to what you'd see if you took a photograph of the building from where you specified the camera location. I like to change the display style. You can rotate by holding Shift and the left mouse button within the camera view to adjust it. You can also click on the border of the camera view to drag the dots to resize the view. However, notice it is indeed a camera view, and if you zoom in and out or try to pan, all you do is adjust the size of the view within the graphics area. You can use the View cube and the navigation wheel to adjust the view as well. Alright, let's go ahead and create another camera view, and I'm going to switch to the site plan and click the camera icon again. I'll create this one coming from the opposite end of the site. Once I position the camera and set the target, I'll change the display style to shaded with edges. And one thing I want to point out here is if you forget to adjust the camera's height before you place it, you can adjust it in the properties. If I scroll down the properties for this view, you can see there's a section with camera settings where I can adjust the eye elevation and the target elevation. Let's make this view kind of a bird's eye view. So I'm going to adjust the eye elevation and raise it up. Before wrapping up, let's create a camera view from the inside of the house looking out. I'll do this from the first floor plan instead of the site plan, so I have a little better idea where I'm placing the camera. I'm going to launch the Camera tool, and I'll place the camera in the living room looking out the front curtain wall. Again, I change the display style to shaded with edges. So as you can see, using cameras is a really cool way to get to look at your building from lots of different angles. You can create as many different camera views as you like, and they'll all be locked in the project browser, along with the default 3D view. All you need to do is double-click the camera view to activate it.